Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Unboxing sea animals. Beautiful color combination, beautiful sea animals. Let's start unboxing. And the last. Let's start. Wow, the first beautiful crocodile. Wow, orange, beautiful. Wow, fish, beautiful. Sorry guys, this is very beautiful. Wow, sea animals toys collection. And this is beautiful black and orange color combination sea fish. Wow, beautiful. Oh wow, blue whale. Oh, open mouth, beautiful. And this is black and pink color, beautiful fish. Wow. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting unboxings. Wow. Oh my god, large open mouth, beautiful fish, dolphin. And the last one is green and white color, beautiful. Wow, sea grass. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.